94 Chevy G20 transmission is giving some problems. Reverse spins and makes a loud whiny sound at reverse. Neutral. Drive goes quiet. We'll drive forward. So we'll drive forward.
2 or 3 times.
See, holding the brake.
Yeah, I got that.
Yeah, it slips. So if you put force on it, it starts to slip in reverse then. Yeah. Sound. Oh, got the G20 up on the ramps and a little protection. You know, we got them wheel chocks too. But we got to get up in here. And that's our goal. 4L60 right there. Going to get that out. All right, let's don't forget, unplug that battery. Can pretty much leave this attached. So let's get it started. Going. Oh yeah. Okay, back towards me. There we go. Yeah. Go to control that bucket. Oh. All right, let's get this pan off. Get the fluid out. Contain this mess. Drain the fluid, make it a little bit easier to try to prevent a mess. That was easy.
The screwdriver?
All right, I'm getting closer.
Middle of the freeway.
They spin separate, so they are disconnected. front, right? Yeah, well, got her out. Next stop, Wilson's transmission. See what Donnie's boys can do. That the stator is stripped. Don't do burnouts in reverse, you guys. Especially in something that's as big as that. But we'll get back to you when she's looking good and new. So.